don't wake up, the lights decide for you, snapping on without warning in a space held at a constant 18 degrees Celsius, where steel presses against your back and the hum of machines never stops. Boots move in perfect rhythm outside. Someone is taken without explanation, and you learn immediately that movement brings attention, and attention brings risk. You weren't brought here, you were processed, stripped to numbers, your name used once and then erased as you became Unit 317, positioned at the absolute bottom, where strength means nothing and placement means everything. Days stack instead of passing. Meals arrive at fixed intervals, silence carries rules, and you begin to notice patterns. Who speaks, who survives, who disappears. Small shifts mark your ascent. A second longer underwater, a better place in line, a nod that signals you are no longer invisible, and with each adjustment you take on quiet responsibility, correcting things before they break. Not because you were told to, but because not doing so carries consequences. The system reveals itself through precision. Temperatures controlled, cameras covering almost everything, decisions happening only in the blind spots, forms delaying action for exactly 72 hours, mistakes measured and accumulated until they erase you entirely. You adapt through exact obedience, following instructions to the letter rather than the intent, learning that value isn't money but access. Access to timing, to movement, to people. Over time, your identity compresses, your voice shortens, your thoughts narrow. Relationships outside fade without conflict, replaced by a steady isolation that begins to feel stable rather than empty. Sleep fragments, memory dulls, and leaving stops being a concept you can place anywhere in your thinking. Then the pattern breaks. A door opens out of sequence, your number is called, and you are moved into a higher tier where decisions are immediate and outcomes are final. There, without instruction, you are placed in a moment that offers no real choice, only alignment, and you act with precise timing, understanding in that instant that the system never forced you. It simply removed every alternative until your action became inevitable. After that, something settles. You stop reacting and start anticipating, becoming part of the same structure you once tried to read. New arrivals replace your old position, standing where you once stood, disoriented and unformed, and you watch without engagement because the process will shape them exactly as it shaped you. When your time ends, 8 years, 3 months, 12 days, you are processed out as quietly as you were brought in, measured, logged, and released into air that feels unfamiliar only because it isn't controlled. While behind you the lights remain constant, the routines continue, and another number takes your place without disruption, confirming what you already understand. The system was never built around you, only through you.